welcome to another telekinesis video. Today we're talking about how to break an object with telekinesis. How to break something with your mind. Is it possible? The answer is yes, it is. For today's telekinesis, we're using this glass here. You might be able to tell it has a little crack in it here. I don't know if you can tell. So that is why I don't want to use this glass anymore, because it could be dangerous for me or for my family. I don't waste anything. I don't want to waste anything at all. But this glass, I would throw it out. That's why I'm doing the breaking telekinesis on this glass. See, it's real glass, but today we have to break it. So how do we do this? What kind of telekinesis do we use to break it? So there's really two ways to do it. An easy way and a hard way. There's a way to do it with Pyrokinesis. If you have this object and you focus on the air around your object and you try to remove the air, then it's gonna implode because you're creating a vacuum. You know what I'm saying? But this is not what we're doing here today. We're gonna do it with Push Telekinesis. You know, Push Telekinesis is the telekinesis you use the hatred to your object to push it away. And usually how you do it is you do the breathing, breathe 100% in, 50% out, 100% in, 50% out. You keep doing that and you focus on the connection and experience to your object. In that case, it's this glass. I try to remember each time individually I used it, and also when I broke it. The story is I took it out of the dishwasher and I hit it accidentally. This is how the crack happened. So I'm very angry that it broke. I'm very, very angry, and I focus on this anger to this object, and then I can use Push Telekinesis to actually break it. But before I show you how to do that, I want to be very clear. I want you to never ever use it against somebody else. This is a very dangerous technique. It's very dangerous for your surroundings, but also for yourself. So, let's say if you're under 16, please don't even try it. If you're over 16, use it responsibly, okay? Use it responsibly. Good. So, I'm gonna focus on the love I used to have for this object and the hatred I have now. So I focus. Do the breathing. And I try not to push it away. I try to build up the tension, build up the energy inside of me. And then at some point, on one hit, I'm gonna release it. I'm gonna release it and aim for one spot, like here. I'm aiming for this spot, and then I'm gonna break it, break through it. I hope actually it's gonna work. We'll see. I'm gonna try it now. this is how it goes. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. And again, please be careful with this technique. It is very dangerous. Telekinesis is an art form of love, not hatred. We don't want to break things. We want to build things. Build connections. Build relationships. That being said, have a good day. I have to clean up now.